Lakarin natin yung init ng araw. Ari napaka-inam sa ating katawan. Yung iba lamang ay arting-arte na kesyo iitim daw, masisira ang kanilang balat, jableg. Di nila alam ay ari napakaigi sa katawan. Ay pag nagkakaedad na tayo hindi dapat titigil sa pagpapawis. Pag walang basketball ay di walking, jogging. At tayo ay dini pupunta sa LA Fitness Gym. Magbubot naman dini sa quality gym at tayo may natitira pang free trial din ay sayang, susulitin natin na rin. Aba ay minsan lang rin ay aba may 5 araw pa ako natitira din
Doggy dog, this one goes out to the ladies from all the guys. A big bow wow wow. Cause we gonna make it a little misty here tonight. This is DJ Easy Dick on the station that slaps you across your fat ass with a fat dick.
When I met you last night, baby, before you opened up your gap, I had a respect for your lady, but now I take it all back, cause you gave me all your pussy, and you even licked my balls. Leave your number on the cabinet, and I promise, baby, I'll give you a call next time I'm feeling kinda horny. You come on over and I break you off, and if you can't fuck that day, baby, just lay back and open your mouth, cause I have never met a girl that I love in the whole wide world. Well, if Corrupt gave a fuck about a bitch, I'd always be broke. I never have no motherfucking endo to smoke. I get smoked and loony. Bitch, you can't do me. Do we look like BBD? You hoochie groupie. I have no love for hoes. That's something that I learned in the pound. So how the fuck am I supposed to pay this hoe? Just the latest hoe. I know the pussy's mine. I'ma fuck a couple more times, and then I'm through with it. There's nothing else to do with it. Pass it to the homie, now you hit it. Cause she ain't nothing but a bitch to me. And y'all know that bitches ain't shit to me. I gives a fuck. Why don't y'all pay attention? Approach her with a different proposition. I'm corrupt, oh, you'll never be my only one. Trick ass bitch. Who's back in the motherfucking house with a fat dick for your motherfucking mouth? Hoes recognize, niggas do too, cause when bitches get scandalous and pull a voodoo, what you gon' do? You really don't know, so I'd advise you not to trust that hoe. Silly of me to fall in love with a bitch, knowing damn well I'm too caught up with my grip. Now as the sun rotates and my game grows bigger, how many bitches wanna fuck this nigga named Doggy? I'm all the above, I'm too swift on my toes to get caught up with you hoes. It ain't no fun if my homies can't get a taste of it, cause you know I don't love it. Woo! Hey, now you know. Hell, X exact with bitches on my side and bitches on my back. So back up, bitch, because I'm struggling. Nuts in your mouth. It's me, Warren G, the nigga with the clout. Woo!
By Snoop Doggy Dogg, this one goes out to the ladies from all the guys. A big bow wow wow.